I'm Daniel Fernback from MarineMax Brick, New Jersey, standing here in front of the gorgeous Scout 215 XSF. Let's go take a look. First thing you're going to notice as you come up, you have the 150 Yamaha. You can also get it in a 200. Let's come aboard. Notice the transom walkthrough, which is very nice with the gate. Keep the kids and everybody aboard safely. You'll have an optional transom seat that you can get to be flush mounted here. You have a live well, easy access to bilge and other components down below. Igloo cooler, which is standard. Rocket launchers in the T-top. This is an aluminum T-top. You can also get powder coated. Nice black dash. You also can have a flush mounted Garmin as well. Moving forward, room for a spacious head, nice porta potty in there, access to components and battery switches. One of the nicest parts of this entire boat, as you can tell, it actually has a little notch out over here, which allows for a lot more space. Traditionally, boats have kind of cut across and taken away a lot of the seating. You can move forward. As you can see, it has a lounger, big area, and you can put an optional teak table with dedicated storage right here. Grab rails for comfort. So again, I'm Daniel Fernback, MarineMax Brick, New Jersey, standing on the Scout 215 XSF. For more information, please give me a call. Love to show it to you.